Hi, my name is Mike Kissenberth, orthopedic surgeon with the Steadman Hawkins Clinic of the Carolinas and the Greenville Hospital System. My specialty is in sports medicine and primarily treat patients of all ages, but deal primarily with shoulder, elbow, and knee conditions. I chose medicine really back in high school and probably for sure in college. I always had an interest in study of life, which was biology, and that was my major while in college. And it was through that and playing football and seeing a bunch of injuries that I not only knew I wanted to do medicine, but it was pretty clear that orthopedic surgery would be the specialty of choice, particularly in sports medicine. I was born in California and after about 12 years moved to Florida and found my way to the Carolinas by way of the Citadel in Charleston, South Carolina. After graduating from there, I then went on to the Medical University of South Carolina, also in Charleston, and did sign a scholarship with the United States Army to cover medical school cost, and did my training in orthopedic surgery in Hawaii, and then served various locations to include Virginia and Georgia, and last station being at Fort Stewart, Georgia. And prior to that assignment, did do a sports medicine fellowship in shoulder and elbow conditions primarily, and after that point was offered an opportunity to come here to Greenville to start the Steadman Hawkins Clinic of the Carolinas with a great group of guys. While at the Citadel and playing college football, most people have some form of orthopedic injury, and I had several, and really it was Andy Clausen, who's still the trainer today down in Charleston, who just did a great job keeping me on the field, keeping me playing, and I did think that kind of molded me during my formative years to dealing with him, talking to him about medicine. He knew I had a very strong interest in going into that in the future. But probably the most influential moment was during my sophomore year, where my teammate and good friend today, Mark Bonacani, was involved in a tackle where he was paralyzed, and he's still a quadriplegic today. I speak to him regularly, and the good news is we did stop that tailback from a first down, but that was an episode really during my sophomore year that really changed my life forever. It's rare to see anybody down on the field that long. He has been probably the biggest inspiration to my life, and really wanted me to make a difference in the life I've chosen and the path I've chosen. He's probably to date raised over $300 million for spinal cord research. But the biggest thing for me is, what did that do for me in regards to what I do today? Is I wanted to someday get back on the sideline and take care of athletes and hopefully keep them healthy, keep them on the playing field. Probably one of the best things about orthopedic surgery is that you get to take care of patients of all ages. I really enjoy taking care of kids, and taking care of kids comes with taking care of the parents. And actually, I don't find that too difficult at all. In fact, I find that quite fun and fulfilling. You know, the point is that you do have to spend time with them. They need to understand and feel comfortable with you taking care of their children. Yeah, I'm blessed to have a wonderful wife and 3 healthy kids. I'm learning that eternal balance and still striving to create that balance as I'm currently have an 8-year-old, a 13-year-old, and a 15-year-old daughter. They're all the love of my life, and they are more important than anything we do. My hobbies my whole life have been primarily water sports, but here I am in the upstate. I grew up on the coast. I enjoy surfing, skiing, anything where I'm in the water. And if you were to find me when there's a weekend off and the kids don't have travel ball of some sort, you'd probably find us and the whole family down on the coast somewhere enjoying the sun, enjoying the beach.